Grab your safari hat and your explorer's curiosity, because a world of amazing animals is waiting to be discovered. The Astonishing Animal Explorer is your child's passport to an adventure that spans the friendly, familiar barnyard and the untamed, thrilling wilderness. We'll journey from meeting the gentle cows and cheerful chickens who are our farm friends to encountering the majestic lions. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Elephants live around 60 to 70 years in the wild. Usually, one calf is born, which can stand and walk shortly after birth. Elephants spray mud on themselves to protect their skin from sun and bugs. Moose are the largest of all deer species, with adult males, bulls, standing 5 to 7 feet, 1.5 to 2.1 meters at the shoulder and weighing up to 1,600 pounds, 725 kilograms. Moose live in northern forests of North America, Europe, and Asia, especially Canada, Alaska, Scandinavia, and Russia. Moose have long legs, a humped back, Llamas have been used for centuries to carry loads, up to 25 to 30% of their body weight. For long distances, llamas are smart, easy to train, and form strong bonds with other llamas and sometimes humans. Llama wool is warm, lightweight, and lanolin-free, unlike sheep wool. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago and have been humans' companions ever since. Dogs have up to 300 million smell receptors, compared to about 6 million in humans. Dogs communicate through barking, growling, whining, body language, and facial expressions. Dogs love treats. Wildebeests are herbivores, eating mostly grasses. Blue wildebeests can weigh up to 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Wildebeests are social animals, often found in huge herds. Wildebeests are famous for their great migration. Over 1.5 million wildebeests, along with zebras and gazelles, travel between Tanzania and Kenya each year. Wildebeests are prey for lions, cheetahs, hyenas, and crocodiles. Polar bears have dense fur and a thick layer of fat, blubber, to keep warm in freezing temperatures. Polar bears mostly live alone, except mothers with cubs or during mating season. Polar bears primarily eat seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. They can swim for hours to catch prey or travel between ice floes. Polar bears live mainly in the Arctic region on sea ice, coastlines, and islands. Lions primarily live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands in Africa. A small population also exists in the Gir forest of India. Lions weigh around 150–250 kilograms, 330 to 550 pounds. Females are smaller, around 100 to 180 kilograms, 220 to 400 pounds. Lions are apex predators. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot to form dung middens. Rhinos have excellent hearing and sense of smell, but poor eyesight. They often rely on scent and sound more than sight. Rhinos are heavily poached for their horns, driven by illegal trade, especially for use in traditional medicine, despite no proven benefits. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot to form dung middens. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms. Hippos are very territorial and can be aggressive toward humans and other animals. Usually, one calf is born, often underwater or very close to water. Hippos communicate using sounds above and below water, including grunts, Horses have been domesticated for about 5,000 to 6,000 years and were crucial for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses have large eyes on the sides of their heads, giving them almost 360-degree vision. Horses' hooves are made of keratin, like human nails, and need regular care called hoof trimming. Horses eat grass, hay, grains, This book is the first step on a grand tour designed to ignite a lifelong love for the creatures that share our planet. As we turn the pages, we'll dive deeper than just names and pictures. How is a fluffy sheep on a green hill connected to a sleek wolf in the forest? Why do some animals live comfortably in a barn while others thrive in a dense jungle?